Hi, I'm Bianca Castro with NBC5 Health Connection, a series of reports dedicated to keeping you and your family at your healthiest. We'd like to share with you some of our recent stories that feature your Medical City healthcare doctors, staff, and patients. Flu has hit hard, and patients have filled doctors' offices around North Texas. At the Medical City Arlington ER, flu tests are being performed on everyone who shows symptoms. The National Institutes of Health says this flu season may be especially bad because a mutation in a prevalent flu strain makes the current vaccination almost useless. Still, Medical City doctors say that's no reason to give up on the flu shot. Even if you do get sick, it'll still lessen your symptoms and make your illness less severe.
They don't have, again, the reserve to kind of help support their system when that happens, and that's why we encourage those populations to get the vaccination.
Flu activity isn't expected to peak until February. Well, a viral video led to an emotional reunion between a teenager and the Medical City McKinney staff who saved his life 17 years ago. Here's NBC5's Meredith Yeomans.
This was meant to be. This has been 17 years in the making.
It is a conversation they've waited so long to have.
For you, for us.
Staff at Medical City McKinney and the siblings they saved 17 years ago.
There's not a Thanksgiving goes by that we don't think about you and your family.
The story behind this emotional reunion begins the week of Thanksgiving 2000. 13-month-old Caleb Johnson was severely injured in a crash in McKinney. His parents did not survive, but Caleb and his siblings did. They were rushed to the hospital, now called Medical City McKinney. New name with some of the same staff.
It's so hard to put into words how this makes me feel.
Wendy Gracie called in surgeons and doctors that night. Paramedic Jana Sullivan sat by Caleb's side, and Michelle Hooks was an ER nurse.
You're the reason I do what I do. Patient like you.
Yep.
A conversation 17 years in the making, happening via Skype just 2 days after this now viral video was posted online. In it, Caleb asks for help finding the staff who saved him, especially this nurse, Denny Miller, who we've since learned died years ago.
That day, you weren't just a baby patient, you were Denny's baby that day.
Gratitude comes in many forms.
I don't know how to explain in words, but this is awesome that you're getting this information to us. It's special.
Good night.
Answers to lifelong questions and putting a face to a story coming full circle.
That was awesome.
In McKinney, Meredith Yeomans, NBC5.
We hope you enjoy the Medical City Healthcare headlines, and thank you for watching NBC5 Health Connection weekdays at 5 p.m.
NBC5 Health Connection is brought to you by Medical City Healthcare.